Okay, this is the Irobot Roomba 675. We're going to do an unboxing of this robot vacuum. It came days earlier than it was supposed to. We got it at Target on Black Friday sales. So, let's see what this looks like. The tape is so hard to undo. It's so, like, weird. It's so tight.
Golden tape.
Oh, there we go.
This looks like golden tape.
Golden tape is not
Or
a
silver
thing.
tape. I wonder why this tape is here.
Right there? No. It's not tape. FYI. Ugh. Here, I think I'll stand it up. It's so hard to get it. Oh, there we go. Okay, that'll work. Now we gotta do the side, the top, I mean. Move, okay.
You probably should just use your knife for that, Andre.
Yeah. Scissors on my shoulder. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. I'm still getting used to where everything is on it. Well, that was easier. Okay. Did we get this side?
Hold the
Yes, we
blade
did.
down, Andre, right away.
Oh, here's another box.
Look at that.
Sometimes I'm
Irobot
worried.
Roomba 675.
Sometimes I'm worried because this has a big box and then there's a box. I'm worried that it's just going to be a box and 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 nothing is going to be in it.
Okay.
Hopefully
Oh,
it's
there's
not like...
tape right there too.
Oh, lots of tape.
Well, of course, there's that. And I'm pretty sure the actual vacuum is inside this box.
Oh no, not another box. Oh, this
Here it is. So lots of protective coating. Now, this looks like an Irobot Roomba user manual, the home base charger, and here's the actual home base. This is extra filter, and here is the Roomba itself. I'll put this back in front. So it's all wrapped up too. There's probably some. Okay, it's got a bunch of different languages and stuff here. And it's got some kind
Oh
of
my, I can't do that.
gotta slice that too.
Wow, those things.
You can just slice through the bag. Wow, that thing's sharp. It sliced right through the bag. Oh, here we go.
Is that the only slow piece it comes with?
Of course, no Roombas come with more than one 4-piece. Oh, this thing's shiny. Now this one is also kind of nice. It has a handle right here.
Ah.
This gray thing right here is a handle. Now the buttons on the front, dock, spot, and clean, that's the power button too. And in the back, this button, wow, it's hard to press down. Yeah, no, it's not. I just wasn't pulling out. Here is the dust thingy, a filter, and the filter's in here, and that's the dust bin, and slide that back in.
Let's see.
And the
Oh, this is the bumper part.
yeah, it is a little bit different. And here's this, the brushes.
Like that kind of fuzzy.
And this thing here, I think we gotta pull that out. Yeah, that's the battery. We gotta pull that out to make the battery be able to work. I don't know how to get that out. I can't even pull it. It won't even let me pull it. Oh, there we go. Just gonna have to get some muscle. I think maybe just pull it out. I don't know.
You can cut that.
Ah, there we go. Okay, so we'll charge it up, and maybe in a while I'll have a review for this on my channel. But for now, oh wow, what the world? It's like blinking or something. Okay.
Oh, did you turn it on?
Can you turn off? Oh, whatever. Okay, bye.